Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh my god.
Wonder if he's sleeping good.
I mean,
Oh yeah.
is he sleeping on his keyboard?
Probably. He's gonna hate me for this too. I should upload this and put it on the wiki page.
No.
All right. Lewis. This is too rich. I like it.
Oh my god. It keeps on snoring. The fact that he's like really snoring reminds me that maybe I should try to go and get a nap or something.
I'm actually considering going now.
Hey Ninja,
Yeah.
can you teleport to me?
I just logged out.
Oh, dang. Never mind then.
Yeah, I'm about to go take a short nap.
This faction here overclaimed.
Oh.
It's not my faction, it's Squinty the Panda's faction.
Sorry, what do you even say?
Ninja, can you move him to AFK?
Yeah.
User was moved out of your channel.
Thank you.